Klarna's installment payments are one of the main attractions of the Klarna electronic payment gateway, which has proven itself to be among the most prominent electronic payment gateways in the e-commerce market. It has kept pace with the swift development of the e-commerce market, especially as sellers increasingly move towards selling online and the number of online shoppers continues to grow. Klarna is dedicated to earning customer confidence as it assumes responsibility for the purchasing process and ensures sellers receive payment for their products. This commitment has led to a secure and seamless shopping experience for both buyers and vendors alike. Most crucially, Klarna provides customers with a convenient pay-after-purchase service. This, along with their installment payments, has been instrumental in attracting new customers and significantly boosting their sales rate. In this video, we'll demonstrate the registration process for Klarna and how to obtain your Klarna card. Klarna is an electronic payment gateway that offers customers a pay-after-purchase service for online shopping. It was founded in Sweden in 2005. Through Klarna, customers are able to purchase products from online retailers via the Klarna website or the Klarna app, granting them the flexibility to select their preferred payment time and method. Furthermore, it is completely free, incurring no additional charges for customers, as the merchant covers the fees to Klarna. This provides a secure and seamless shopping experience for both customers and sellers. Klarna's payment gateway stands out as one of the world's leading electronic payments gateways. It provides its services across 14 regions in addition to Sweden and employs a workforce exceeding 3,500 individuals. It processes more than 2 million transactions daily, serves over 90 million users, and generates annual revenues reaching up to $750 million. Klarna aims to earn the trust of both customers and sellers, encouraging them to engage with its services. It also takes on fraud risks. Download the Klarna app from the Google Play Store using the link below the video. Once you open the app, you can create an account. If you already have a Klarna account, two options will appear for you to choose from. Please tap on the second option. But if you want to register, you'll need to tap the first option. Tap the first option to get started. Enter your email address and select this option to permanently save your registration details, so you won't have to input them every time you log into the application. Choose to send the link here. You must receive the email in the email address you entered and then proceed to confirm the account. Enter your mobile number. This step is very important for receiving your Klarna code. You will need to enter the code that was sent to your mobile phone number. This code is dynamic and will change each time you log into Klarna or when you initiate a new payment transaction. At this point, you will be prompted to set up a fingerprint or PIN security system. Once you've successfully entered the Klarna app, the home page will display the various stores where you can make purchases using Klarna, and it will additionally show your payments for any specific month you choose. Prior to making any purchases, you must finalize your details by providing your name and linking your bank account to the Klarna app. Select your online bank, then enter your IBAN. After completing all these steps, you can order your Klarna card. Enter your personal address and the other required details, like your real name, address, or company name. After you finish entering your information, a new code will be sent directly to your online bank account. Choose your card color. The only difference is the color. Once you order the Klarna card, it will be delivered to the address you provided in just 7 days. In this video, we've gone over the method to register for the Klarna app and how to request your Klarna card using the app. Be sure to follow us in upcoming videos to discover the method of payment and buying in installments using Klarna. Don't forget to like and subscribe.